Wait, stop, Dad, move!
Man.
Fuckers are heavy, ain't they?
Oh my God.
It took me Eddie and that lady to put them on.
Really? God damn, man.
What about?
This is heavier than the other one. Holy shit.
Hey,
Oh, God damn. Fucking tight. Good God almighty.
We could make a video. So, we could make a video. Yeah. It's going to be called Seems So Fun. And hey, you viewers, make us have 100 views, please, because I might fall off. Yeah, and we might have money. No, let's bounce. One. Good. Good, you're going to bounce me too.
ow! Get on that right.
We're making a video. We're doing the peekaboo. Hey guys, I'm Amber. She's my friend Cassidy. Yeah, but Dana wasn't here. She beat her sister, Savannah.
Where is Savannah?
And this is Savannah. One is back. One is back. Yep, and we're making a video. So like, there's a pool. Emily, you want to come be in the
Run! Run!
So like, this is our video. That's is fun. So we're trying to make 100 viewers. The people that watch it, thanks, because we might do a biggest surprise ever, right? If we reach 1,000 viewers, we might give you guys. We don't know where we're gonna do it. So leave comments in the below. What we should make with the money if we get money. Yeah, if we get money, we'll buy this. No, it's up to you guys to make.
Excuse me, my whole bottle of soda don't belong outside on the porch.